The adventure continues, man.
Just when we thought we were out and done. Oh.
I asked for an adventure and we got it.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Tyler and Landon here. We are part 2, so if you missed the first one, take a look here on the link. But we just met up with Glenn, Renee, Gary, and Chris. Super awesome people. We're actually traveling to the next spot, unknown location. We're pretty pumped. We're excited. It's gonna be awesome. The sun's rising. Can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned for more. Spot. It was an amazing drive through these tight trees, like just super gorgeous. Saw a couple deer. We're out here. I tossed up the drone straight away because I was like, I gotta get some footage. But ooh, she's pretty white and bright. But Tyler and the crew already walked out. I can already hear the augers going, so we'll get out there.
All right, guys, so we made it to our spot here with Rock Hard Tackle, and we're setting up and gonna get fishing here right away. But yeah, so far so good. It's pretty impressive.
I can do all this if you want.
See the team pull out their sleds. Obviously, Landon and I have just been doing truck camping primarily, so it's yeah, really important obviously to be able to bring your gear out to the ice. So it seems like a super reasonable and comprehensive thing to do. But yeah, we're gonna hopefully get on some fish and be able to share more with you today.
It's got lots of backbone, so you don't have to worry about breaking it. Just set on that thing.
Yeah, he's right there. Yeah. Nice. See, for Lakers, when you lose them, the chances of them biting again are very good. They don't know they're hooked, right?
Dude, crazy.
There we go. Chartreuse! Ah! No! No! Swim up! Swim up! Oh my God! Okay.
Yes!
Oh, I got him! I lost him at the hole.
So good, man.
Hold that beauty up.
Look that. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a pole.
Yeah. Nice. Chris kills.
Nice, man. Congrats.
There you go.
Dude. Here, brother.
Right on.
That's awesome.
What?
The bigger guys, I would suggest leaving it just off bottom. They're a little lazier.
They're chasing.
Yeah, they'll chase. Yeah.
Sweet. And just a massive hook set once you
Once you
feel
feel them.
something. Just,
Yeah.
we're not fishing for a little tiny perch anymore, Tyler.
You'll feel them. Right now we're only 20 feet of water.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Sick. Nice.
Chartreuse.
Let's get a close up of that rock hard tackle right there, folks. That's the winning ticket. What's going on, Ty?
So we're just gonna put on the chartreuse tube here with some flash on it.
Yeah.
And this is from Rock Hard Tackle.
Nice. This is the killer today, hey?
And setting us up, so
Perfect.
get on it and see if we can. We've already seen 2 hits already. Chris is hitting some fish over
Yeah.
there, so we're gonna see if we can drop some lines and get some going. But this is a whole new game for us here,
Yeah.
so it's awesome. We're just learning as much as we can. got the new Fluger rod on there, or the reel on there, and that was Glenn's suggestion. We'll go with that.
We'll probably do 20,000 steps.
Okay guys, it's pretty apparent if it was just Tyler and I out here, we would have not caught a thing, hey? We just fishing the wrong way for these fish. So it's pretty cool. These guys are on the move. So you fish a spot for 5-10 minutes, nothing, you're moving. Oh! Woo! Glenn walked me into this one, baby. He let me dog his hole, gave me his rod even, and walked me right into this beauty fish. First Laker, boys! Heck yeah! Sick! We had to drop it past it a couple times, really. Oh, it's... How do I grab it?
Grab right in the gills. No, it's okay. Keep the tension on. Want me to grab him? Got him? Oh, good job.
First ever Laker. Look at that rock hard, baby. Yeah, come get a photo, bro. Come on. All right, phew. That was awesome. I just landed that fish. Tyler's getting marks too. The fish are coming in. All right, we're sitting here chit-chatting. Tyler doesn't even tell us he's marking anything. Hey, why not? Hey, Ty? Why not? And he just drills into it. Heck yeah. Way to go, buddy.
Go. Oh.
Let's go! What do you think, Ty?
Friggin' first lake trout.
That's it. Look
That's
what's
amazing.
dangling the old mouth right there, hey?
Yeah.
Boom.
Rock hard.
Grip that tail. Yeah, we're in. There you go.
Rock hard is doing work today. Nice. Out of these.
Here he is. Goes back. Oh. There he is. Sweet.
How does that feel,
So
buddy?
good.
Whew.
Come on.
Knuckles.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well done.
On the board.
You guys today. Well, now it's my turn.
Yeah, Glenn's on it now. Let's do it.
It's also really clear that we need a sled. That has to happen right away because carrying around your stuff is a straight up nightmare.
We were just like trailing way behind these guys. Carrying this stuff. I saw in the snow where like Tyler laid his bucket down for a bit.
Yeah.
My arms. We're rookies,
We're
guys.
rookies are figuring it out. So yeah, it's awesome to watching what they're doing and just learning. It's great. So yeah, keep on keeping on.
He's a good fish.
Oh,
He's heavy.
Yeah, he's fine.
Oh, he's heavy.
Yee-hoo.
Close.
Okay, I'll grab it.
Here we go. Nice.
He's big.
Here, I'll bring the camera and do some photos.
Yeah, some proper shots. That's what we need. I can also jump on camera
Oh,
too
he's
now.
gone. No, he's still there.
Oh, gee.
Don't say that.
I thought he was. Maybe not super big, but
Oh, that's all
I'm
right.
still excited.
Oh, that rod's bent.
Yeah.
That's all that matters. Yee-hoo. What a day.
Right?
Hey, Gary. Come on, brother.
My kid sister.
There you go. Renee's doing the work.
And there's a slayer, I'm telling you.
That's it.
She'll get, you know, a little down. Fish aren't biting, but when it does, it's always the biggest one.
There you go.
I'll get my sleeves ready for this guy.
I don't think he's that big.
Oh,
He doesn't
well.
feel big anymore.
He was hugging bottom, eh?
Yeah. He's just deep. I
Just
think.
bulldogging you.
Yeah. Oh, there's mono. Oh, I'll put my leg in this water. Still can't see him. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, jeez. Nice.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Come on, baby.
let's play him.
Come on.
Back up. That way, Renee.
Oh my goodness. Yo! Let's go! Well, Ty, what's happening now, buddy?
It's just the adventure continues, man.
Just when we thought we were out and done.
We pulled in, we knew the truck was stuck, and now it's really stuck. But we did pretty good landing. Proud of us. We got like 10, 12 feet.
That's it.
The boys showed up to help.
Good thing we still had the crew here to help us out.
Two feet.
Made it up the hill. Now we just gotta get around this corner.
There you go. Let her buck.
I asked for an adventure and we got it. We got the truck stuck. We've completely done a 180 up the hill.
Yep.
And we're almost out.
Not a good idea to take go down the hill in a 2x2.
Rear wheel drive truck.
Yeah.
I'm just the guide.
But these guys are one heck of an adventure partners, and we wouldn't want to do it any other way.
That's it.
It's been awesome.
Check these two out. This is Gary's.
Yeah. We now got Gary's towing. That's a new job site. Hit him up. The boys got out.
Yeah.
Woo! Success. That was rough.
We're good.
We.
Spin around. I'm like, oh man.
How's that feel, Ty?
So good.
Oh,
so
man.
thankful for all the help
Yeah.
from these guys, man.
Woo!
What a adventure. All right. It's 11:02 p.m. Just pulling in back to the driveway. Well, man, This was a trip.
This was an adventure.
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Honestly, it's whether you're an expert or you're a beginner, like, we're just doing this because we love it and we love adventuring outside and doing fun stuff together. And yeah, just encourage you to do the same thing. We're not experts. We're not trying to be, and it's just a blast.
If you can get out, get out.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
You can see in the video that we experienced like every range of situation.
Yeah. It was a steep learning curve.
Yeah.
And it was good.
It was so
It was
good.
great.
But now that we're back home, or at least I'm home, you
Yeah.
got to drive home.
Yeah.
Safe drive.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, drop a like, subscribe, click that bell for notifications of our next video, and we'll see where we adventure next. Thanks for watching.